Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 82, Mensurations, section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. The area of a trapezium with equal non-parallel sides is 168 meters square. If the lengths of the parallel sides are 36 and 20 meters, find the length of the non-parallel sides. Okay, so here, equal non-parallel sides means these two sides are equal. Trapezium means what? Two lines are parallel and two lines are not parallel. If it's a regular trapezium, then both the sides are equal. So what is given? Both the sides are equal. So these two sides are equal. Okay. Now what is the area? 168 given. So 168 equals to 1 upon 2 into S1 plus S2 into H. That's what the formula of trapezium, area of trapezium is, right? 20, 36 we are having it. So it becomes 56. 1 upon 2 into 56 into H, and 168 we know. So H equals to, just solve this, 168 into 2 by 56, you get 6, right? Now look at one important part. This side is 20, this is 36. This figure is even, means equal on both sides. So what will be the dimension of this below rectangle? Suppose if I draw a rectangle from here up to this much, what will be the dimension? 20, 20. So but total is 36, so remaining is what? 16. So 8 here remaining, right? So now you got of this triangle, now you got 8 as a base, and height we already found out 6, right? Now we can find out the hypotenuse. Let this slant height be L. So what happens? L square equals to 8 square plus 6 square, right? So 100, 36, 64, 100. So L equals to 10 meters. So slant height is 10 meters. That's what is required. Next, find the total surface area of the following. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.